Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Eklavya. Today we're going to talk about C programming, the first program which is the Hello World we're going to write in our desktop. So stay tuned till the end. Okay, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Okay, so just start the video. Sorry that C is mother language, which is true. C programming is the mother language. You have to learn it and you have to also practice it. Okay, so let's start this video. uh, First of all, we have to write the header file, include stdio.h. So first of all, what is it? What is stdio? What is the meaning of it? Actually, stdio, the full form is standard input output header file. Okay, so include stdio.h, it means standard input output header file. Now the second line is include konayo.h. konayo.h. So what is the meaning of it? konayo.h. What is the full form of it? So konayo.h, the full form is console input output header file. Okay. So why I'm telling you about these type of things? Because it is mandatory, right? You have to know about it. This is the include stdio.h and this is the konayo.h. These are the major thing that you gonna all the write the C program under this, because all the main functions are under konayo.h and studio.h. Okay, so now we are gonna write our first code. So firstly we have to use void main. So what is the void main? Void is a, you can say, a zero, which is a shunya in Hindi, shunya, and main is the main function. We have to all the code in the main function. Okay, so this is the main function, and we have to open our curly braces. Okay, and write what we want. Okay, actually we want a print hello world. Okay, so just print it. Actually I'm okay, print f print f and write hello world and semicolon and get ch function and off. Okay, so the the common question is, what is get ch? Okay, get ch, the full form of get ch is character get character. This is the get character short form, and get ch under the konayo.h. Okay, all the things comes under the konayo.h and stdio.h. Okay, so is it complete? Yes, it is complete. So there is some shortcuts that I'm going to tell you. So first of all, we have to if you don't know anything, you just go to file and save, because we have to save, right? जब आप कुछ करते हो तो आपको सेव करना पड़ता है वो चीज़, तो यहाँ पे आपको सेव करना पड़ेगा, सेव एज, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे सेव कर लिया है इसको एकलव्य 1.c से। ओके, तो चलो फिर से कर लेते हैं। इसमें क्या है, एकलव्य 1.c, ये दिखा रहा है कि ये ओवरराइट हो रहा है एक्सटेंशन, क्योंकि चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, आप कर लेना, आपके पास सीपीपी दिखाएगा तो आप उसको सी से कर लेना। चलो अब ये क्या, ये मतलब हो गया, इज इट कंप्लीट? तो जस्ट चेक, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी आप कोई कोड करते हो तो उससे पहले आपको कंपाइल यूज करना पड़ता है, तो सबसे पहले कंपाइल यूज करने के लिए आप कर्सर यूज कर लेना एंड देन कंपाइल, and there is a no any error or warning, enter. Okay, and now we have to run this program and run it, and the program is run. Hello world, hello world. Why it is two time? So we have to use CLR SCR, which is a new function, which is not a new, actually it is comes under the Kunaya.h, CLR SCR and function. What is the work of it? It works to clear the screen. Okay, so go to the compile. There's a no any error and run. Okay, it is run. It is running. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the shortcut of it. Okay, the shortcut of it. So the shortcut is that if you want to compile, if you want to compile, okay, uh, if you want to compile, click Alt plus C. Okay, if you want to compile. Okay, and if you want to run, so Alt plus R. Okay, and if you want to go in a file section, because you have to save your file, right? You have to save your file as a C. I mean, you have to save your file with a C. Actually, you are not using a C++, you are using a C programming. So in the last, you have to write a C. Okay, like this, eclave1.c. So now we have, now if we want to go in a file section, so we have to click it Alt plus F. It's going to file section. That if I click it Alt F, it will in file section. Okay, so there is a one more thing, that if you use a double slash, it is comment out. What does it mean? Comment out, it means it not gives you any error in your code, because if you use any extra things and just Alt C to compile, there is an error. I think, yeah, there is a one error. There is a declaration syntax error, which is HAV. What is it? Because computer don't know what is it, so we have to fix it, right? So we have to fix it. Okay, it is come under the, so like, uh, if you want to write anything and that is not a part of the code, you have to use double slash. Okay, so yeah, this is our code, and that's all for today. I hope you found this helpful. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. I will see you in the next video. So take care and keep learning. Okay, bye. Have a good day.